All right. So, welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. So, Paul Hall has secured his second friendly international um, before the Nation League, and it's all pointing towards good things. I would say good things to come. This is I would say a high caliber friendly international, most definitely. And when you check out the time period, uh, and the importance of this international friendly to our opponent, it will definitely highlight what this is about. This is all about. Now we'll be playing against Uruguay, Uruguay, Uruguay. I know most Jamaicans say Uruguay, but I think they pronounce it Uruguay or Uruguay. Yeah. But anyways, Jamaican time. Uruguay. But most definitely, it is a high caliber international friendly international, and I do think that this is one that we have to take really serious. We can't say just like we did with the Catalonia, and we expect that we're supposed to be facing a good team, the Catalonia team. But before we get to the details, I would really appreciate it if you guys smash that like button, and also most definitely hit that subscribe button. As you know, we're still here trying to grow the platform, because without the platform growing, it really makes any sense. They're like, what are we doing this for? What's the main purpose of this? Isn't this all about growing, all about growth and understanding? I do believe so, but definitely. So let me switch over to the piece so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I did my publication quite early. It is actually late hours in the morning. So on June 6th, 2022, time to be decided. Stadio Centenario. The Reggae Boyz will face Uruguay on the 6th of June in preparation for the Concacaf Nation League. It is also preparation for the Uruguay team in the World Cup, in their World Cup qualifiers campaign. Not in their World Cup campaign. The Reggae Boyz have faced Uruguay 3 times and only won once whilst facing 2 defeats. Now we will most definitely get into those details of those defeats. Nonetheless, as you can see down below, that there is our Twitter handle and also our Instagram handle. We'll solely appreciate it if you guys go over by the Twitter or socials and follow us. We also have a Facebook. Most definitely, you can go on the Facebook as well with that. So, as you know, we're still trying to grow the Medium platform on an overall basis. Now, I'm going to move from this. I'm going to also look at the last set of games. We're going to look at the 3 games that were played over the time period. Let's have a look at it. So we're going to give you guys a head-to-head score line. So this is what it looks like, people. This is what it looks like. It starts off here. So full time. I think this is the last game that we played against them. This was in the Copa America when we were invited on the CONMEBOL 2016 on the 6th, on the 13th of the 6th. In we all the night. I think that's 9:20. Yeah. So we lost that game 3-0. As you can see. Then no. We lost. We played another game. I think. Let me see. What this is from me. 3 games. Okay, so the other game before that was also the CONMEBOL Copa America. That was in 2015 now on the same 6th on 13th of June. So basically almost the same exact identical. Well, just a year apart. We lost that game 1-0, and then now this is our only win against them, which was in 2004. We won that game 2-0, which is a good look, which is most definitely a good look. So this is Uruguay last 5 games that they have played in recent time. So giving us a heads up on what to expect. Bolivia defeated them 3 goals. 3-0. They defeated Paraguay 1-0. Defeated Venezuela 4-1. They defeated Peru, which slapped us recently. They defeated them 1-0, And then now they also defeated Chile 2-0. Now this is our last 5 games, which is a oh my word, this is terrible. So we played against Panama. We lost to Panama 3-2. We lost to Costa Rica 1-0. We drew with El Salvador. We lost to Canada 4-0. And then we finally picked up a win. 2-1. So basically, we have 3 losses, 1 draw, and 1 win in 5 games. They have 4 wins and 1 draw. So they are coming into this game with impeccable form. Most hopefully, that Catalonia game can put us a little bit of edge and ahead, I should say, and maybe on the side of getting something, getting the team fit or ready to face this team, because we do know the quality. And as I said, they're preparing for World Cup, which means that they will put out a very strong team, getting that team to gel. So they will be coming with a fierce look in their eyes and won't most definitely try to stomp us as brutal as possible. Now, I'm also going to have a look at the game that we won, that track back all the way to 2004. I'm going to have a look at that. Why would I really look at that? Most definitely, let me see if I can find it. Okay. This is not it. I do apologize. Let me see. Let me find it. This is when we were we had some of the legends still in and amongst the squad. So this is it, boys. Winning style. Let me see if you guys are seeing it. Just as good as I am seeing it. Let's see if you guys are seeing it. If just as good as I am seeing it. I do hope that you guys are seeing it good. Let me minimize myself and enlarge the screen just a bit. So let me read the article. Boys winning style. That's its headline. February 19, 2004, led by ace striker Nandi Lowe. That's a long time ago. And the skillful Jermaine Johnson, Jamaica Reggae Boyz turned in an aspired performance to blank Uruguay 2-0 in front of over 25,000 spectators at the National Stadium last night. The Torren Rushden and Diamond striker hit a powerful angle 25-yard free kick to beat Gustavo Munia of Deportivo La Coruña low to his left after only 10 minutes of play. This after his strike partner Ricardo Fuller was brought down on the edge of his mesmerizing dribble. Jermaine Johnson of Oldham Athletic made the game safe with 9 minutes to go when Tyrone Marshall, arguably the man of the match, wormed his way past 2 defenders, dribbled to almost the edge of the penalty area before cunningly slipped in the ball to Johnson, who rounded substitute keeper. What's that substitute? Substitute keeper Louis Burbat before slotting on, much to the delight of the entrapped crowd, erupted crowd. Right? People, I see substitute and oh god. Anyways, so they're giving us that 2-0 victory in details of what happened, play by play, movement by movement, which is expected. That's how we are. We are very, very we exaggerate on things, yes, quite so much. But anyways, it's a good look. I'm also going to have a look at the last game that we played for one reason in particular. Let me see if I can. I'm going to try and bring it up. Let me see if I can bring it up. So give me a second. All right, so I'm just found it, people. I just found it, so don't get upset with me. The reason why I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the last team that we used to face off against this Uruguay team, a Uruguayan team. Let's have a look at them most definitely. So this is the Uruguay team and also the Jamaica team that we faced, that we used last time. So let's have a look. We have Andre Blake in goal. Wow, Javon Watson at left back. Whoa, horrendous. And as you can see, that looks like an own goal to Javon Watson. We have Jermaine Taylor, we have Wes Morgan, Adrian Murray up at right back. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I have to say, wow. We were this bad. Anyways, let's go. Let's have a look. In midfield, we have Gart McCleary, we have Lee Williamson, Michael Hector, Joby McConough. Quite a good midfield, I would say. Up front, Giles Barnes and Clayton Donaldson, who misses so much opportunities. So as you can see, this is the Uruguayan squad. Let me see if I see any more noticeable faces. Alvaro Gonzalez, Edison Cavani, Jose Jimenez, Diogo Gooden. So they have Carlos Sanchez. They do have a few famous faces, quite famous faces back then in that team. Abel Hernandez. So let's have a look. I'm more focused on the Reggae Boyz. I do apologize for if you're Uruguayan and watching this. I do apologize for that, but I'm just zooming in on my nation basically. Winfred Schaefer was the manager at the time. We have Dwayne Carr, we have Ryan Thompson, Domino Solomon, Rudolph Austin, Rosario Arret. One of the reasons why I followed the Portmore United team. Left back, played against him in the Costa Cup. Andrew Van Zee, Chevron Marsh, just as Chevron Messi Marsh when he was younger. Michael Binns, George Binns, Joel Grant, Alan Atty, and Devor Orgil. This was actually, I think this was a Copa America. As you can see, we finished last in the table. I played 3 games and we lost all 3 games, conceding 6 goals and not even scoring 1, which is pretty damning. That's really, really damning. Poor. That's extremely poor. But anyways, I won't go any further. I do think that definitely covers most of the aspects of what I wanted to discuss. So I do expect that this will be an emphatic encounter. Tough. If I'm being honest, we're talking about a team with world-class players. Edison Cavani, Luis Suarez. So we do know that we are going to have our hands full with this one. So let the preparation begin. Let's see what the boys have to offer. Hopefully later I can do a stream on this. So hopefully you guys are doing good. Most definitely. I'll see you guys again. Until next time. If you're here and you're here for the first time, I would really appreciate it if you guys smash that like button. Most definitely. And I do think that this one is going to highlight how far we are and what is our intent, what we want to do, what we want to do going forward, and let not this be any form of setback. I do hope so. Until next time, people. Military Guna TV, we're out.